Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. Last unboxing, can you shut up with the microphone, Aiden? Anyway, we got the new microphone I bought today at Best Buy, as long as my Elgato HD60 capture card. You can see me unbox that last episode, but this episode we're going to be opening up this, unless it's the first one you see, then well, hello. Alright, so this is the Samsung, I should probably introduce the microphone. It's the Samson, let me see what it says. I can't really read backwards. Q2U. Apparently this is a really great vocal microphone, which is something I want, because I'm going to be playing a lot of games and talking, and I want to scream a lot. And I don't want the Blue Yeti, because honestly that thing is loud as heck. It picks up literally everything, which I don't want, which is a bit annoying, but that's... but this thing's also cheaper. So yeah, I got this one. So yeah, here we go. Open it up. Let's see what's inside. I don't know what's inside. I've never seen anyone open this before. I've just seen reviews on it. Apparently it's pretty good. Oh, it's just a lot of these little tab things you have to open up. Alright. Let's get this microphone out of here. Jeez. Oh, this thing is tight. It's like the PC. Remember when I opened up that thing was impossible to pull out. I spent so much time. Alright. It's in this nice little boxed enclosure, which is nice because you want to protect it, because, you know, protect the baby. Protect the... Oh, there's more things. Oh, what the heck is this thing? Alright, this is a bit awkward. Oh, you just open it up like this. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, it's like a time capsule. Just open it up like that. Ooh, that's cool. Alright, so first of all, you get a nice little carrying case. Ooh, this is nice. This is a nice Samsung carrying case. Now remember, this was like $60, I think. $50, $60, something like that. And you get a carrying case, too. It's pretty nice. Ooh, here's the microphone. So here's the little microphone. You can sing. Ah! That was pretty cringe. Oh, it has the Samsung logo on it. So yeah, let's get this open. Oh, I guess I didn't really need to. Oh yeah, here's the whole thing. Here's the thing. There's the power on and off button. Anything else? No, it just tells you if it's USB or not. Wow, that's pretty much it to it. There's an audio jack. Here's all the ports. We got the XLR. There's a headphone jack. There's also an up and down arrow thing. I don't know what that is. Probably for volume control, which would be good. I want one. I hope it does that. Alright, here's the little stand thing it comes with. Ew, this one's a lot more. It's probably going to be a longer video, but it doesn't matter. We got the nice little stand here. It's like the blue snowball kind of stand thing. Also, we got another one here, so you can screw it in or whatever. The little thing you can put on top of it. Anything else? Got more bubble wrap. Oh, these are the cords. So I think this is the XLR cable, so if I do ever want to upgrade it to like an XLR, like put in an adapter face or whatever, this thing can be useful. So, but as of right now, I feel like I'm just going to use it for USB, mainly because it's more simple and I have just USB. It's just plug and play, pretty easy. Probably not going to be as great quality, but I feel like it's still pretty good. I think it's going to be. So here it is, the micro HDMI thing, the one that you plug into the back of the microphone here. This thing's also made of metal, which is also nice. What the heck? Oh, yeah, I thought I flicked something. I guess I did not. So it's made of metal, so it's a nice build quality, too. Yeah, so here's the also regular HDMI thing. Not HDMI, I'm so used to saying that. USB thing that you plug into your computer. And also, what happened to the pop filter? No! It got destroyed in the packaging. What the heck? Oh, can someone explain to me what the heck happened to my pop filter, please, and thank you? What the heck? What the actual heck? Alright, so yeah, this is pretty much it. There's a lot of stuff in this package for $50. Also the instruction manual, which I don't think anyone actually cares crap about. Well, yeah, that's pretty much it for the package. Thank you all so much for this video, and thank you all for your support on the channel. I'm surprised we got to 240 subscribers with just my camera, but now that we got actual equipment, we can actually do better quality content, and I hope you guys continue to support and love my content. Anyway, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!